Hello and welcome to TV Buying Guide, your go-to destination for the latest insights into the world of televisions. Today we'll talk about the pros and cons of Sony Bravia X or XR80 to find out whether Sony Bravia X or XR80 is a good choice for you. Sony Bravia X or XR80 is the only 4K OLED TV series introduced by Sony in their 2024 TV lineup. It can be called as the successor of Sony A80L from Sony's 2023 TV lineup. Sony Bravia X is positioned between two mini LED TV series, the higher Sony Bravia 9 and the lower Sony Bravia 7. Sony Bravia X is offered in three screen size options: 77-inch, 65-inch, and 55-inch. What are the reasons to choose Sony Bravia X or XR80 as our next 4K UHD TV? Let's talk more about the pros and cons of Sony Bravia X or XR80 in this video to find the reasons to choose Sony Bravia X as our next 4K UHD TV. Now let's talk about Sony Bravia X pros. The first pros comes from its perfect black with infinite contrast. OLED panel of Sony Bravia X is able to deliver perfect black and infinite contrast since its pixel can be completely powered off and dimmed autonomously. The second pros is white color gamut. OLED panel of Sony Bravia X combined with XR3 Luminous Pro is able to deliver white color gamut that allows us to enjoy rich and accurate color details on the screen of this TV. The third pros is white viewing angle. OLED panel is able to bring white viewing angle. With white viewing angle, we can enjoy accurate details when we are watching this TV from any side viewing angle. The fourth pros is great motion handling and low input lag. 120Hz native refresh rate is integrated with OLED panel of Sony XR80 or Bravia X. With 120Hz native refresh rate on top of its OLED panel, Sony Bravia X is able to deliver good motion handling so that we can enjoy smooth motion image for our favorite action movies and sport. It is also able to bring low input lag when we use this TV as our gaming monitor. The fifth pro is great operating system. The operating system integrated with Sony Bravia X is Google TV. Google TV is a great operating system that can deliver wide range of premium entertainment from our favorite content providers, while also allow us to run wide collection of smart apps with access to Play Store. The sixth pros is Wi-Fi 6 and ATSC 3.0. Sony Bravia X already comes with Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 6 is a more advanced Wi-Fi that can handle faster internet connection than the previous Wi-Fi 5. Sony Bravia X also comes with ATSC 3.0 for US region that can bring 4K HDR over-the-air entertainment on the screen of this TV. Now talking about Sony Bravia X cons. The first cons of Sony Bravia X come from its lower peak brightness. Although Sony Bravia X is able to deliver perfect black and infinite contrast with its OLED panel, it is still not able to deliver high peak brightness similar to Sony Mini LED. The peak brightness of Sony Bravia X is still lower than Sony Bravia 7 with Mini LED backlight. Second pro is no FreeSync support. Sony Bravia X already comes with 120Hz native refresh rate that allow us to enjoy low input lag when we use this TV as our gaming monitor. It also supports variable refresh rate or VRR and auto low latency mode or ALLM but we can indeed find that Sony Bravia X still doesn't support FreeSync. The pros and cons of Sony Bravia X can be summarized with this table. So what are the reasons to choose Sony Bravia X or XR80? There are several reasons to choose Sony Bravia X as our next 4K UHD TV. It is already able to deliver perfect black with infinite contrast as well as white color gamut. It also allows us to enjoy wide viewing angle while experience read motion handling with low input lag. We can also enjoy wide range of premium entertainment with Google TV, while it is also completed with the latest Wi-Fi 6 and ATSC 3.0 for US region. We can also find that Sony Bravia X is less excellent in peak brightness than Sony's 2024 Mini LED, while it also doesn't support FreeSync yet. So if you are looking for a near perfect 4K UHD TV in 2024 and you don't mind with less excellent peak brightness compared to Mini LED and no FreeSync support, then Sony Bravia X or XR80 is a good choice for you. Thanks for watching us at TV Buying Guide and have a nice day there.